New at 6, it is considered one of the main arteries of North Beach, talking about Beach Avenue by the Whataburger. But as you saw just last week, a tropical storm Alberto left the roadway completely submerged in floodwater.
Yeah, it just so happens today street improvements for Beach Avenue and one other North Beach thoroughfare went in front of city leaders. Our Bill Churchwell was there and joins us now with what it means for getting in and out during high water events. Bill?
And good evening. North Beach residents say the streets need to be raised in order to help people get in and out of the area during storms. And that's why a handful of those residents showed up to council to make sure their voices are heard following last week's flooding. Handyman Joey Lara is showing me the muddy mess left behind after water rushed into his workshop during last week's storm.
12.5 inches right there.
His place sits right between Beach Avenue and Gulf Spray Avenue, two streets that endured heavy flooding here on North Beach.
Now the drainage is bad here. All the drains are just, it floods completely. You get dead animals out here, all kinds of stuff everywhere. Fix it.
Tuesday, a handful of North Beach residents voiced their support for the city to improve both thoroughfares, which would include stormwater infrastructure.
So in addition to making the street look better, this project needs to make the street safer.
Carrie Robertson Meyer wants to make sure those improvements include raising the streets.
What if they build this beautiful street with nice sidewalks and, all these other amenities, but they don't elevate it up higher? And then it's flooded in the next tropical storm.
Beach Avenue is set to become the main entrance to welcome visitors to the tourist destination once the new bridge is complete. Council is considering adding the streets to the North Beach Canal Drainage Improvement Project. The timing of the measure, impeccable for those who live here.
Terribly underwater. Trying to get out of North Beach was an absolute fiasco.
I've been there like 41 years. I've never seen that much water.
Reconstruction of Beach Avenue would go from East Causeway Boulevard to the beach, the same for Gulf Spray Avenue. The project located in City Council member Everett Roy's district.
Those streets are necessary because where that linear canal starts, down toward Golf and Park, and it will work its way to Surfside Park. And so those two streets are important in terms of improving their drainage system.
And the streets would be done by 2025 to go along with the completion of the new Harbor Bridge.